If you're looking for smart and useful products, then this video is for you. Keep your gadgets fully charged with these. Before you buy any USB-C laptop power banks, you need to see this. In this video, I found the best USB-C laptop power banks of 2026 based on real performance, quality, and value for money. I spent hours researching, comparing features, prices, and real user reviews so you can pick the perfect one without wasting time or money. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. And for more honest no-fluff tech reviews, make sure to hit subscribe. Let's get started. Starting strong at number 1, we have the VERC Portable Charger Power Bank. This 10,000 mAh unit is an exceptionally clever travel companion specifically designed for those who truly dislike carrying a tangled mess of extra charging cords. It features a unique built-in cable system that includes multiple integrated connectors, plus an extra dedicated USB cable just for recharging the device itself. You can actually power up to 5 different gadgets simultaneously, which makes it absolutely perfect for sharing with friends or family during long road trips. While it provides a standard 5V/2.4A output, it remains a highly reliable source of power for your essential everyday mobile devices. Its small, pocket-sized frame and lightweight build ensure it never feels bulky in your pocket or bag, while the included lanyard also functions as a handy cable. The intelligent LED display shows you the exact battery percentage at a quick glance, ensuring you are never caught unprepared with a dead battery. It is truly a secure, versatile, and convenient all-in-one charging solution for any emergency situation or daily office commute. Moving on to number 2, here's a solid choice: the Baseus Wireless Magnetic Power Bank. This MagSafe-compatible Qi 2 charger offers a sophisticated blend of high-speed performance and elegant industrial design for the modern high-end smartphone user. It delivers 15W wireless charging capabilities along with a powerful 22.5W USB-C output, giving you total flexibility for both wired and snap-on charging needs. The build quality is noticeably premium, featuring a sleek silicone metal finish and advanced graphene cooling technology to keep the unit at a safe operating temperature. Integrated AI sensors provide an extra layer of safety, making this much more advanced than your average bulky and outdated power bank. With its 10,000 mAh capacity, it provides ample backup power while maintaining a slim, pocket-friendly profile that won't weigh you down. The magnetic attachment is remarkably strong, allowing you to simply snap it on and begin charging your device instantly without any hassle. It also supports convenient pass-through charging, meaning you can top up both the power bank and your phone at the exact same time during long flights or train rides. At number 3, we're looking at a powerful option: the Yancity Laptop Portable Charger Power Bank. This massive 25,000 mAh energy reservoir provides a high-performance charging solution specifically for users needing to power laptops and tablets while working remotely. It boasts an impressive total output of 100W, with a single port capable of pushing 65W, which can jumpstart a 14-inch MacBook Pro to half capacity in under 40 minutes. Due to its significant internal capacity, it offers more than a full charge for most notebooks and multiple cycles for modern smartphones. The clever triple-port design enables you to manage 3 devices at once, making it perfect for gamers or tech professionals handling multiple gadgets. It supports various fast-charging protocols, ensuring compatibility with everything from high-end laptops to low-power accessories like earbuds. While it is slightly heavier due to the dense battery cells, it remains portable enough for air travel and long daily commutes. Specialized low-current modes ensure that your smaller, sensitive devices stay protected and charged efficiently at all times throughout your busy day. Coming in at number 4, this one really stands out: the Goliath Portable Charger Power Bank. This 10,000 mAh portable charger delivers a perfect mix of everyday performance and slim portability for users who are constantly on the move. Utilizing its 20W PD fast-charging Type-C port, it can quickly energize your mobile devices and even recharge its own internal battery with impressive overall efficiency. A unique feature is the strong magnetic attachment system that keeps your phone securely fastened while you are walking, commuting, or traveling. Although it is not a wireless charger, it comes with a specialized metal ring to ensure a wide range of phones can utilize the magnetic grip. The integrated LED display is a fantastic addition, letting you see the exact remaining energy so you aren't left in the dark during a long day. Perhaps most convenient is the built-in 2-in-1 cable that features both USB-C and Lightning connectors, removing the need to pack extra cords in your work bag. Its lightweight, ultra-thin design allows it to slip into your pocket easily without adding any noticeable bulk to your daily carry. And taking the top spot at number 5, we have the Ugreen Portable Laptop Power Bank. This 25,000 mAh Titan is an absolute powerhouse engineered specifically for power users who demand the fastest charging speeds currently available on the market. It offers a staggering 145W total output, featuring a single USB-C port capable of delivering 140W to charge a 16-inch MacBook Pro to over 50% in just 30 minutes. This enormous capacity means you can recharge a laptop fully and still retain plenty of energy for your mobile phone and tablet. Despite being a heavy-duty battery unit, the industrial design remains surprisingly compact and easy to slide into any backpack for professional travel. It features advanced two-way fast charging, allowing the massive power bank itself to fully recharge in only 2 hours when using a 65W adapter. The crisp digital display clearly illustrates the current battery percentage so you can plan your day with complete confidence. With its broad compatibility across laptops, gaming consoles, and smartphones, this is the ultimate reliable companion for any heavy tech user working while on the move. And that's it for today. If this video helped you find the perfect product, don't forget to hit the like button, it really helps the channel grow. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on amazing gadgets, smart reviews, and hidden tech deals. Got any questions or want a specific product reviewed? Drop it in the comments, we read every single one. Stay tuned, because the next video might just be your next best purchase. See you in the next one.